being in a situation where you don't know where you are going, it makes you quite a person who cannot work hard.
Immediately when they finish the training here, people start talking business. They no longer talk the useless talks of the youth in the community. They change their attitude and they become business people.
And currently I know that I will be getting a daily income. I'm proud that I know where I'm going. That is really inspiring me to work hard.
When we got engaged with a SKY project, implementation started, like constructing the skilling center, classes, offices, accommodation for the youth. I did not have the structure where I can train them from. I did not have the capacity to accommodate them. I did not have the capacity to feed them for the time in their training, but now they've done it. And then the training also started. The training that we are doing here is really hands-on. We want, by the time somebody finishes the training here, that person can really do the work himself or herself. That person can be able to bring up the birds right from the chick level to the level of production, and then it can be able to sell the eggs to the market, can be able to talk to the customers, can be able to keep records because of the skills that we give them here. First of all, we don't just train them to do poultry alone or piggery alone, but we also give them skills in entrepreneurship.
Many youths have got employment now, and I think I can say almost 80% have started doing something small. Yeah, which was not the case before they started being trained here. Actually, we have a group of 10. They received a grant from AVSI and they were supported by 2,000 layers.
And that project is really keeping us together and at the same time helping us, equipping us with skills. Currently the birds are approaching to 4 months. We are expecting the first egg in the next week.
We are about to get some monies. Yeah? I come as a joke, but now I see the serious issues.
We are also planning ahead of us that we want high production. At the same time, we want to reinvest of what we are getting because we don't want the project to end with the 2,000 birds.
The students that have got their birds, they will be selling in the same market with us. Like now I have a task to supply 5,000 trays of eggs a week, but I cannot manage alone.
Egg from the birds.
How old are the birds now?
Currently.
If those students come in and they support me, then we will get the money and the customers will have trust in us.
As we are planning in the future that we expound on the business, we are looking at even every person to own his own farm.
When I finish, when I get money, I hope to start my business. Even me, I want to put a big project like this one. So I will be up.
Some of my students want to grow bigger than I. It's not a problem. It's a very good thing. Really, I feel good if they have grown big and I'm still alive. I'll be great.
5 years from now, we shall be out competing Jeka poultry farm. That means we shall be looking for the international market. So, if we can help him so that we can capture that market, we can be real in business and be changing our lives as people.